Hi guys, welcome to Nam's channel. Today we will make this flower earring together, so it's really simple. Let's start it. First, we need to make a magic ring just like this, and then for the first round we need to do 6 single crochet. Put your hook into the hole and then yarn over, and then yarn over once. So this is the first chain we made, and then we need to do 6 single crochet. Put your hook into the hole and then yarn over and then pull your hook. So this is our first single crochet. We can use a mark here. We need to do 5 more. Put your hook into the hole, yarn over and then pull your hook. So now we have 6 single crochet. Then we put this on, just like this. Then we can cut the yarn. We leave about this long, and about this part we just cut. We put our mark out, and then put our hook from back. This is the front face, and this is the back face. In the back face, we can see another yarn in here. So we put our hook in the mark face, the first single crochet from the back. Then this is the yarn we just cut. Just yarn over and then pull our hook. So this is something we have. And this one is our last single crochet. Then we put our hook into the center of the last single crochet and then grab this little yarn over. So you can see this is the fake stitch we just made. And then this is our first round. For the second round, you can change your yarn color. So if you drag this yarn, you can see it's changing. We need to put our hook in this stitch next to the fake stitch we just made in here. And then press this right here, yarn over. Then we need to do 10 chain. Then in our next stitch, we do a slip stitch. Put your hook into your next stitch and then yarn over and then pull your hook directly. So this will be our first petal. We need to do 5 more. Do the same. Here we do 10 chain. And then in the next stitch, we do a slip stitch. Put your hook into your next stitch and then yarn over, then pull your hook directly. Then for our very last petal, we do 10 chain. And then we do the slip stitch on the fixed stitch we made earlier. And then we do 1 chain and then cut the yarn. So we will have 6 petals. And then for the back, we tie the blue yarn together and then tie the red yarn together. Then we can cut the yarn. And then you can glue your earring accessory on it, just like this one. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I will see you next week. Bye.